In this video, I'm going to show you why Coinbase is saying you have insufficient funds. So over here, if I go to send crypto on Coinbase, for example, and I paste in a random wallet, and then I try to click on that wallet to send some crypto, you're gonna get this message which says no compatible assets, or it's gonna say insufficient funds. So over here, what this means is that you either do not have any of those assets. So for example, you are trying to, let's say, send some Bitcoin to a random wallet, but you don't have any Bitcoin like me over here. As you can see, I have 0.00 euros, so I don't have any Bitcoin or any crypto whatsoever on this Coinbase account. You will get this message when trying to send it to a different wallet. So if you get this message, first make sure to deposit some money in here via the deposit cash function down here, and after that buy some crypto, and you'll be able to then send it to a different address once you actually have it, and you won't get the insufficient funds notification anymore. However, if you're trying to just send cash, you can swap the cash over here, and if you don't have any cash either, that's why you're getting the insufficient funds or the insufficient funds message. Now that's the first thing, but if this is still happening even though you may have some crypto or cash on your account, what you can do is basically just unlink your bank account from Coinbase. Now, you want to unlink it, and after that, see if things work, because sometimes there's kind of a bug where you have to unlink and relink your bank account or card to Coinbase, and after that, you'll be able to start using your funds. Sometimes, due to some limitations, you will also have to wait like 24 hours or 48 hours before withdrawals. So in case you are in a situation like that, you should see a message somewhere on your screen while trying to withdraw or doing something like that. You should see a message over here which will say that you are in a time period where you basically have to wait for a few hours or day, maybe two, until you're able to withdraw, or it's the same with depositing cash and sending crypto as well. So make sure you are not under any limitations, because if you are, this may cause you to get the insufficient funds pop up. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.